1 day pre-op. Tomorrow morning, 5:30, I need to report to the hospital for total right hip replacement. Posterior. Yes, I'm closer, and I'm more of a nervous wreck. I probably got 2 hours of sleep last night, tossing and turning. I'm supposed to be at work 25 minutes ago. Don't want to go. Traffic's a nightmare here in Omaha, Nebraska. The roads, as you see, I'm bouncing around. The roads are freaking garbage. Good thing we're building the other country's roads. I really know they need them better than this. But anywho, yeah, just doing a day by day video. Quick pop up video. I'll be going live on the way to the surgery tomorrow. Maybe, if I remember, because I'm a nervous wreck about it. Tomorrow's going to be worse. Especially since I have to get up and do a shower. I ain't stopping running this yellow light / red light. So I don't know. It's going to be interesting. Lindsay's coming with me. Going to be a double hippie. Got my pajamas picked out to wear to and from. I got my shirt Jordan bought me from work. Make my hip great again shirt. Can't wait to wear it. I've only wore it once. Been saving it for surgery day and coming home from surgery. All right, pull into work. Check in with you tomorrow. Oh God, the AM's here. Shit. He's probably gonna watch this. So I'm sitting out here at lunch, last day before my surgery. Nervous wreck. I enjoyed a nice semi-hot meal. The AM came in, he was cracking skulls. You'd think it was Christmas time and he was cracking walnuts. So I'm still a nervous wreck. All I keep thinking about is this darn surgery. That joint you see right there, that was my left one, if you haven't been following along. Not so worried about it popping out. And here, this is my scar. Not a fan of that scar at all. Oh, there's nothing to hide, but I'm going to hide it anyway. All my mind is going towards is dislocation of the new one, because that's when it really can happen, and infection. I'm more worried about infection than I am dislocation, because I really ain't going to do anything except what the doctor says. I will do what the doctor says. And if you made it this far, make sure you hit a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you had your hip replaced. Do something.